For more remix, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Maong Kati, The Past.
2, 1, 2, 3, let's go!
Midsayap, North Cotabato, Mix Club.
Nagpatuli pa ko, di man day magamit.
DJ Roel Canarejo and DJ Toto. Cotabato Mix Club.
Nagpatuloy pa ko. Di man day magamit.
DJ Roel Canarejo and DJ Toto. Cotabato Mix Club. DJ Weng Weng Magalsor Remix. DJ Dennis Diola. DJ Roel Canarejo Remix.
single na si better ka, single ka, better ka, single, single, single ka. Isa ang gamot sa mga walay uyab. 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 Inside, there's no way we can hide. No matter what we breathe, we still are made of breeze. 1, 2, 3.
Visayas, DJ Jonel, Sagayno Remix.
I wanna put that hand in your body, oh. We gonna rock it up before we take it slow. Girl, let me rock you like a rodeo. It's gonna be a bumpy ride. I wanna put that hand in your body, oh. We gonna rock it up before we take it slow. Girl, let me rock you like a rodeo. It's gonna be a bumpy ride. I wanna put that hand in your body, oh. Bing, 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 bing. So much, that's enough. Bing, 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 bing. So much.
This is the mix of Maong Gati, the best.
Jonel Sagayno.
For more remix, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Maong Kati, The Past.
Ikaw lang nagparamdam nito, kaya sabihin mo sa akin ang tumatakbo sa isip mo. Kung mahal mo na rin ako, isayaw mo. Isayaw mo.
Iigwat ang lubot, bot, bot, bot. Iigwat ang lubot, bot, bot, bot. Iigwat ang lubot, bot, bot, bot. Iigwat ang lubot, bot, 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 bot.
Jonel Sagayno Remix.
Nangangamba ang iyong puso, di ka sigurado. Di ka sigurado. Nalilito, nalilito ang iyong utak. Tunay bang pag-ibig ito? Ano ba ang problema mo? Sabihin mo. Sabihin mo.
Jonel Sagayno.
Ikaw na kung sudaan, tanawa ang lechon. Ikaw mo bayad? Uy! Diyos ko! Customers always right. 8,000! 8,000! 8,000! 8,000! 8,000! Ah! 8,000! 8,000! 8,000! 8,000! 8,000! Ah! 8,000! Tanawa ang lechon. Ikaw mo bayad? Lechon, 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 sudaan. 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 Lechon, 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 sudaan.
The best Bob Remix in Western Visayas. DJ Jonel Sagayno Remix.
Mix, mix, club, club, diglett, diglett, diglett. Mix, mix, club.
That's why I'm talking to the girl in the mirror. Oh, like even if you down, better get up. Oh, 'cause every time that she get up. Oh, something just a little bit better. Oh, I'm talking to the girl in the mirror. 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 Girl in the
DJ Jonel Sagayno.
Yeah.
Sagay.
Tingin sa'yo isang bukit, larawan mo'y kilala. Alena, ikaw ay di maintindihan. Ika'y isang kapos malat, bigo ka pa sa pag-ibig. Hindi ka nag-aral, pagkat walang pera. Kaya ika'y namasukan doon sa mabingi na pagpag. Mula noong binansagan, karapating mga bakutan. Ikaw ay sawing palad, kailan ka nila maintindihan. O Magdalena,
DJ Johnny Sagay.
The place I used to run. Remember the house where I was born. Baby, you don't know me. Baby, you don't know. Show you all the stars I used to hide. No one ever seemed to realize. Baby, you will know me. Baby, you will know. Show you all the stars I used to hide. No one ever seemed to realize. Baby,
Jonel Sagayno Remix.
Don't make it bad. Take a sad song and make it better. Remember to let her into your heart. Then you can start to make it better.
Alliance Singapore Mix Club.
For more remix, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Maong Kati, the best.
Mix Club. three, let's go.
Pretty little baby. Pretty little baby. Pretty little baby. You say that baby, you've been thinking of me. You try to love me, pretty little baby. I'm hoping that you do. You can ask the flowers, I sit for hours, telling all the bluebirds, we're feeling cougars, pretty little baby. I'm so in love with you.
This is massive banger mix by Toto Remix.
Hanap ng puso't isipan, di mapigilan, pretty little baby. Ako'y kilig sa'yo. Kung wala ka first sight, ng iyong titigan, parang kang si Tom Cruise sa malapitan, pretty little baby. Mahal mo ba
This is massive banger mix by Toto Remix.
Now is just the time when both of us are young. Puppy love must have its day. Don't you know it's much more fun to love while the heart is young and gay? Meet me at the car hop or at the pop shop. Meet me in the moonlight or in the daylight. Pretty little baby, I'm so in love with you.
Pit malungkot Ludin Tunog pag si DJ Toto Remix.
Pretty little baby. Pretty little baby. Pretty little baby. You say that baby, you've been thinking of me. You try to love me, pretty little baby. I'm hoping that you do. You can ask the flowers, I sit for hours, telling all the bluebirds, we're feeling cougars, pretty little baby. I'm so in love with you.
This is massive banger mix by Toto Remix.
Pretty little baby, hi hi. Pretty little baby, hi hi. Pretty little baby, ikaw ang hanap ng puso't isipan, di mapigilan, pretty little baby. Ako'y kilig sa'yo. Kung wala ka first sight, ng iyong titigan, parang kang si Tom Cruise sa malapitan, pretty little baby. Mahal mo ba
This is massive banger mix by Toto Remix.
Now is just the time when both of us are young. Puppy love must have its day. Don't you know it's much more fun to love while the heart is young and gay? Meet me at the car hop or at the pop shop. Meet me in the moonlight or in the daylight. Pretty little baby, I'm so in love with you.
Pit malungkot Ludin Tunog pag si DJ Toto Remix. Ikaw ay nakikinig sa pinakabagong remix ni DJ Toto Remix. 1, 2, 3, let's go! massive banger mixed by Toto Remix.
Everybody put your hands up high. Everybody put your hands in the sky. Let me see you work, work. I like to see you twerk, twerk. Let's go. Come on. Hands up, hands up, hands up high. Hands up high, hands up One, two, three, let's go!
This is massive banger mixed by Toto Remix. Josephine and Ivan Music Collection. Subscribe na! Josephine and Ivan Music Collection. Subscribe na! This is massive banger mixed by Toto Remix.
Ito na ang panahon.
sa mundo, iisa pa rin tayo. Pinoy Remix pa rin ang hilig natin. Handog sa inyo ng ating mga OFW. Pinoy, atin to. Ito ang Pinoy Remix.
When there's a ghost story